Hello, welcome to video training. We'll be discussing backing up your system today. Okay, it is extremely important to back up your data. Many dealers neglect to do this. It can cause serious problems at any point in time, whether it be a lightning strike, whether it be a disk drive crash, whether it be a complete computer malfunction. You can lose all your data instantaneously. If you have a good backup of your data, you can totally destroy your system, call our support staff, and we can get you totally operational within hours. So backing up your system is extremely important. Now, we have an internal backup that only backs up the Wallace data files. What you really should do is have a complete full system backup. What that means that if you called us and we needed to reconstruct your data with our backup, we could get your Wallace up and running relatively quickly. Any other packages or software that may be on that particular computer is a totally different story. So what you really want to do is have a full system backup. We can recommend certain backup software that we have run across in the past from our customers that work extremely well, or you can ask your computer consultant. Okay, to do our internal backup, which there again only backs up your Wallace data files, you would go from the main menu to Utilities. You'd select the option that says Backup Wallace Data Files. This will come up and tell you the last date that you backed up your system. In this case, it's 4708. This will tell you the last location of where you placed that backup. Before doing this, you should have created a directory to put this backup in. Preferably, that directory should be on another computer, one of your network computers, or you can put it on the computer you're running on, and then when this is over, it'll also ask you an option to copy this backup to another location. Preferably, what we recommend is having an external disk drive which you can actually store the backup on. You would do that by creating the directory, hit Change Backup. You'll get a standard Windows lookup, which will have all your networked drives as well as your local drive. You would then select the location of where you want this backup to be and hit Backup. Depending on the speed of your system, it may take relatively short time or relatively long time, depending on the number of files, the length of your files, and the speed of your system. When the backup is complete, and there again, it could take anywhere from just a few seconds to a few minutes to typically maybe 10-15 minutes. It's something that's extremely important. There again, the best way to do a backup is do an unattended backup in the middle of the night with a backup software that backs up your complete system. But using this method occasionally is very, very crucial. This gives us the ability of going back to any particular time and recreating your Wallace files. For example, we highly recommend that if you're doing a full system backup, maybe at the end of every month, you do an internal Wallace backup, which is what I'm doing now, which means that we'll be able to put you back in time anytime you wish. Okay, as the thing is backing up, and we'll just wait a few minutes here, and there again, it could take anywhere from a minute to a couple minutes. When it's done, you'll see this message here. Your backup is completed successfully. You need to copy this file to a removable media. At this point, you can click OK. Your Windows dialog box will pop up. It will show you where it created the file. It created the file in the directory in which we told it to put it, and it created the file with the date we're running it for. So in this case, this is the date of the file. And what we would do now is we would actually use Windows to copy this file to whatever media we wish to copy to, whether it be a CD whether it be a computer at another site. Okay, you have now created a successful backup.